The electric vehicle EV revolution is in full swing, and 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal year. At the center of it all is the Tesla Model 2, a car that's not just aiming to change the game, but rewrite the rulebook entirely. Tesla has been the king of the EV space for years, but with the Model 2, it's like they've decided to say, let's see how far we can push this innovation thing. So, what makes the Tesla Model 2 such a big deal? Let's start with the elephant in the room, the price. At an anticipated starting price of $25,000, the Model 2 isn't just an EV for the masses. It's practically Tesla's way of saying, who needs gas anyway? This is a car that's designed to make EVs as accessible as your favorite pair of sneakers, but hopefully it lasts a bit longer than those sneakers. The price point alone is groundbreaking. For years, one of the biggest hurdles to EV adoption has been cost. Sure, we've all admired the sleek designs of Teslas cruising down the highway, but for many people, they've been more of a dream than a reality. The Model 2 flips that script, making sustainable transportation achievable for a much broader audience. It's like Tesla said, let's take luxury, innovation, and sustainability and put them all in a car you don't need to sell a kidney to afford. Now, let's talk about performance. The Model 2 is expected to deliver up to 250 miles of range on a single charge. That's a significant feat for an EV at this price point. It's like Tesla's engineers asked themselves, what if we made a car that could drive across a state without constantly searching for a charging station? And they did it. With advancements in battery technology, Tesla has managed to strike a balance between affordability and performance, a rare combo in the EV market. But Tesla didn't stop there. The Model 2 is also expected to feature the company's latest advancements in autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. Imagine telling your car, take me to the nearest taco joint, and it does it while you scroll through memes or debate on Twitter about pineapple on pizza. That's the future Tesla is promising with this model. Although, let's be honest, if the car takes you to a taco place that serves pineapple tacos, you might want to double-check its settings. The design is another highlight of the Model 2. Tesla is known for its sleek, minimalist aesthetics, and the Model 2 carries that torch proudly. But this isn't just about looking good, it's about function. The compact design is perfect for urban environments, making it easier to navigate tight spaces, and let's face it, survive parking in a city. Tesla clearly thought, what's the point of having a futuristic car if it's a pain to park at Trader Joe's? Tesla has also reimagined the interior of the Model 2, focusing on simplicity and smart design. The dashboard is expected to be dominated by a single touchscreen that controls nearly every aspect of the car. It's like driving a tablet on wheels, except this tablet can hit 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. And yes, that's fast enough to outrun your neighbor who won't stop bragging about their gas guzzler. Charging infrastructure is another area where Tesla is light years ahead. The Model 2 will benefit from Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network, which is already the most extensive in the world. This means less time waiting around and more time enjoying the open road. And with Tesla's move to open its supercharger network to other EVs, it's as if they're saying, sure, we'll help the competition too, why not? The Tesla Model 2 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It says, we're entering an era where driving electric is no longer a luxury, it's the norm. And this is where the game truly changes. By making EVs more affordable and practical, Tesla is accelerating the transition to sustainable energy, one Model 2 at a time. Of course, the Model 2 is also going to face some stiff competition. Other automakers aren't sitting idly by. Companies like Hyundai, Volkswagen, and Ford are all stepping up their EV game. But Tesla has always been a trendsetter, and the Model 2 feels like it's going to keep them at the forefront of the industry. Now, let's not pretend everything is perfect. There are bound to be challenges. Manufacturing a car at this price point without sacrificing quality or performance is no small feat. And let's not forget about Elon Musk's tendency to set ambitious deadlines that sometimes stretch into fashionably late territory. But if there's one thing we've learned about Tesla, it's that they have a knack for turning ambitious ideas into reality, even if it takes a bit longer than expected. The Tesla Model 2 is more than just a car. It's a vision of what the future of transportation can look like. It's a bold move that promises to make EVs more accessible while maintaining the innovation and performance that Tesla is known for.